Morning to all of you students. So today we'll continue with our chapter lesson number 2, the teeth. As previously we have discussed about the temporary teeth, permanent teeth and the kinds of teeth, that is canines, incisors, molars and premolars. So now we'll next discuss about the structure of our teeth. So let's see. See students, each tooth has two parts, crown and root. Now the part of the tooth which is above the gums and which is visible to us is called the crown, and the part of the tooth that is inside the gums, that is which we cannot see, is called the root. The gums hold the teeth in the jaw. The outer white covering of the tooth is called enamel. It is the hardest part of the tooth. Then there is a dentine, which is the bony material inside the enamel. The center of the tooth is called pulp. It is the soft part of the tooth and it has blood vessels and nerves. As you can see clearly in the picture, this is the structure of a tooth. There is a crown, enamel, dentine, pulp, then blood vessels are there, nerve endings are there. As you can clearly see in the picture, the top part is crown and in between is neck and the down part is root, the part which is inside the gums. Now children, our next topic is tooth decay. What is tooth decay? See, we all eat food, and whenever we eat food, small bits of food, they get sometimes stuck between our teeth. And in case if we do not brush properly, then this stuck food starts getting rotted or it gets rot. So our teeth gets covered with a thick layer of germs as a result, which is called plaque. It is a yellowish kind of a layer of germs which we call plaque, and this plaque, when we eat some sugary item, when it reacts with sugar, it forms an acid due to which it can cause holes or cavities in our teeth, which can even cause severe pain, and this is called tooth decay. Now how we can take care of our teeth? How we can prevent this tooth decay? For that we need to take care of certain things which we should do in our life. So let's see. In following ways we can take care of our teeth. First of all, we should make sure that we should brush our teeth 2 times in a day or twice in a day. That is once in the morning when we get up and once at night before going to bed, so that the stucking food does not remain there and it will not develop any kind of germs or cavities. Then we should eat lot of raw vegetables like carrots and fruits like apples, which makes our gums and teeth stronger. Then we should drink lot of milk, or at least 1 to 2 glass of milk, especially small children, because milk, do you know children, has calcium, which is good for our bones and teeth. Then we should visit a dentist at least twice a year. We should get our teeth checked up by the dentist so that in case there is any cavity it can be cured. Then we should avoid eating too many sweets, chocolates, or having fizzy drinks, that is airy drinks like Coca-Cola, Thumbs Up and all, soda based drinks, because they are not good at all for our teeth. So in this way we can take care of our teeth. That's all in this chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.